Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the mini blocks pattern. It is a reversible pattern and it is super fun and easy to do. The only stitch you need to know is how to do a double crochet, and if you need help with that, you can look down in the description below on a link to help you with that. So to get started, you will want to chain multiples of 4 plus 3. Now that we have all of our chains, what you will want to do is chain 3, and in the 6th chain from the hook, you will want to do your first double crochet. So we'll double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 2, skip 2, so 1, 2, double crochet 2, chain 2, skip 2, and that'll be our repeat. So it's 2 double crochets followed by 2 chains, followed by 2 skips. Once we get to the last stitch though, we will do 2 chains, skip 2, and we will double crochet once. And this is done just so we have a nice finished edge on it. So this is what row 1 looks like. So row 2, you want to chain 1 and then do 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space from below. And we're doing our same repeat from row 1, so chain 2, skip 2, 2 double crochets. And this will actually be our repeat for the whole entire pattern. Oop, I got a little excited right there. So chain 2, skip 2, 2 double crochets. Chain 2, skip 2, and 2 double crochets in the last chain 2 space. Alright, and now for row 3, we want to chain 3, skip 2, and 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space. Now for your project, you will always repeat rows 2 and 3. And I honestly think this type of pattern would be great for a market bag. Has a nice stretch. Things wouldn't fall through in theory. And here we are at the end. So chain 2, skip 2, and then 1 double crochet right at the end because we need to have a nice finished wall. So right there. And there you have it. That is how you do the mini blocks pattern. Super easy, super fun. I think it looks amazing. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.